Foreigner in the Philippines, it's been a long day and it's very hot out here. Right, Taliklik? And we got our lunch now. It's already 1 o'clock. We just came from our Carabao shopping. And finally, Don and Lisel got their Carabao cost 18,000 pesos. So thank you, Sir Chris. Thank you, Sir Noel. Sir Chris sent. When it arrives in our bank, it's around 14,578.20. Sir Noel, 5,692.44. With the less the withdrawals fees and the transfer fees to our bank, less 400, there is the total amount that we raise is 19,870.64. Less the Carabao, which is 18,000, we got the leftover of 1,870.64. As I said, the Carabao is 18,000 pesos. It's a female Carabao. So we give Lisel the 1,000 pesos, and then the 870.64 I give Pastor Timio 200 because he's the one who find it, where it go roaming around to know who are the one who sell the female Carabao. I give him 200. Then I also give Manong Rado 200 because he's also helping for Don to bring the Carabao and also guiding us. So
well, he checked
the 407. Yeah.
Rado checked the Carabao over. He's experienced with Carabaos, so that was his pay.
Yeah.
As for Timio took time off his work on Tam's house and came, and he was the finder. So as per normal with Filipino culture, we paid him too.
Yeah, and then the 400, I think 470.64, we put that in our gasoline. You know? So again, thank you very much, Sir Chris, Sir Noel, because it's a big help to the family of Lisel and London.
And here we are, we're picking out on a cheapo Chinese, a cheapo barbecue chicken.
Yeah.
How much is this costing us, by the way?
I think it's around 164.
Wow. So,
yeah.
4 of us, $4.
Yeah, and it's very hot, you know. And even Balolot's eyes gonna have a sore eyes now because of the sun. Balolot looked at me and said, "Why you inform in our nationwide viewers?" So please like, comment, and subscribe on our YouTube channel. Have a good day.